Hello everyone. I'm just going to share our thoughts from budgetary evolution yeah, on how we trade gold, how we actually analyze gold. Basically, we'll go on a higher time frame as we do top-down analysis. Higher time frame is like we start on a weekly time frame. From a weekly time frame, we're just going to spot our highs and lows. For now, okay, let me zoom a little bit out to see the whole structure of what is happening. So this is what's happening, right? This is our current structure. So basically will be our high. This will be our high, right? This is our weekly high, right? Weekly high. And for what I'm seeing right now, this high is like the major high. Even if you can go on, let's just go on a monthly time frame, you'll see we'll still be on that high. So what I'm seeing right now, it has never been broken before, ever since gold was here. So yeah, that's okay. We go down there. So yeah, that's our high, guys, and this will be our low right over there. This will be our low, guys. This will be our low. This will be our low, guys. This is our low. So let me zoom a little bit. Uh, that's our low, guys. This is how I actually analyze gold or trade gold on my daily basis. When I see an opportunity, I don't just trade gold. I trade when I see an opportunity. So yeah, this is what's happening. After I have my highs and lows, I'm just going to look for supply and demand. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this will be our low. This is our low, guys. I'm just making them so I can remember everything that's going on. So yeah, for my weekly time frame, I'll basically drop down to a daily time frame trading. This, as you can see, I just wanted you to say, okay, we've moved past that. But what happened here, guys? Okay, as you can see, guys, we had what an inverted head and shoulder. That's why the market went up from here. It went all the way up here. So yeah, it still need to go a little bit up from what I'm seeing to retested this previous rejection, whether it retested or it moved past it, like it breaks it. So yeah, we'll see how the market moves. But as for now, if you can go to a what is it, a line graph, like a line chart, this is what a line chart, I see something like a flag. It is like a flag. So it's like a flag, something like this, something like this. It's not an accurate flag, or but there is no accurate flag. These things like they change like every day. So basically, let me just like escape this one. Let me just copy this one, see how it turns out. Which channel is it giving us? I don't know why my network is slow today, but it's slow. Maybe it's because of load shedding, but it's slow. So guys, yeah, this is what we're having. This is what we're having, guys. If okay, back to the candles chart. So this is what we're having. Just wanna like move it a little bit so we can cater for everything. Yeah, this is what we're having, guys. The wick and the shadows, those lines on top of the candle, they're called the wicks, they're called the shadows. So I basically there just to show you that the market have like the price moved to that point, but it rejected, but they didn't close there. Well, it closed where you see the candle, like momentum of the candle, that's where it closed. So but the price did manage to get to that level, but then the sellers were in control. They rejected the price to at least to come up to this level and close over here. So yeah, guys. So as we are here, we're just gonna move around to a daily time frame. On a daily time frame, guys, as I have said before, we're just gonna mark around our supply and demand. Let me zoom out a little bit. Just gonna mark our supply and demand. So from where we are right now, I think I like I zoomed down a little bit. From where we are right now, guys, I think we both can agree that we have a demand right over here. This was our demand. And for the market to go up, as we can see there, Let me zoom a bit on this to see everything. As you can see, guys, right over here where I'm drawing this zone, right over here, for the market to go up, as you can see, we were on a downtrend. Let me just read it. We were on a downtrend, right? We had this beautiful downtrend last week. Actually, it was not last week, but the previous weeks. We had this downtrend. I remember we were selling gold. I closed on December. I was trading gold, and I closed on like, okay, we are not there. So like for the market to go up, what we had here, we had something that is called a triple bottom, right? It's a triple bottom. At the very same time, it's a head and shoulder. This is our shoulder, and this is our head. This is our another shoulder. So it went all the way up. And so talking about the market structure, guys. Now I'm getting somewhere. I was actually going to talk about how I analyze gold, but I just realized like to share a little bit on the uh, how things go around here in Forex. So guys, like there's a lot of things in Forex. Like you'll hear so many stories, like they're not stories actually, like so many terms, jargons, lingo. Like they will tell you like, okay, trade using patterns, trade using trend lines, trade using sorry, trade using what smart money concept, Fibonacci, like there are so many terms in forex trading. All you need to do is like focus on a particular uh, trading system or trading setup format that you understand, because like if sometimes when you focus on too many setups, trade strategies, tactics and techniques, so you end up losing because you're not putting your time, like you're not spending the time that you need to spend on one thing to be actually accurate in it. You are basically dividing that time, so that's why we lose. So I was losing really I'm still losing there and there, you know what I'm saying? But that's part of forex. But I'm just saying, if you're a new trader, you just need to focus on one trader. You see, the problem is we follow too many traders. By following too many traders, when we start trading, is what it is what kills us, because you'll see this big trader make it so much money. Now you start following him. He bought a car, she bought a car, she bought her mama a house, like stuff like that. And those events, they basically like they are not relevant to forex. They basically lowering you in, those traders who doing that. I'm not saying anything, like I'm not blaming anybody. Like everybody gotta make money, right? Everybody gotta make money. So I'm not judging anybody. I'm just saying like uh, 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 we relate more on realistic not realistic, I meant like what is it, very materialistic things, you see. So we like materialistic things. That's what actually kills us in this forex industry. That's what kills us. So basically uh I just want you guys to actually like stick with one person. It doesn't have to be me. If you don't understand my trading style, you don't have to stick with me. Stick with any trader that you understand his trading style. That's initially you will actually like get where you wanna be. You know what I'm saying? So like I've actually like for me, I followed like so many traders before I ended up being me. For me, like I took my time and like say, okay, this thing I'm gonna do it on my own. I remember when I started seeing results. I dedicated 6 months of my time into this, like full, like straight 6 months into only trading. The only thing that I was focusing on is was trading. So after 6 months, like, that's when I started seeing results. So I started seeing like serious results around about last year December. Yeah. So before last year December, it was, we big win, big loss, big win, big loss. So after December, I started like, I mean, at December, I started saying, okay, this is where we get in. I was starting to see light. So okay guys, let me finish this video. Okay, we have our resistance over here. So that's what I was trying to say to explain to you was that guys, you just need to follow one person, one trader, just to understand their trading style. By understanding their trading style, like guys, you're going to, what is this is supply right there. You will initially make it out. You know what I'm saying, you initially make it out, like get to the point where you wanna be. So but if you continue following a couple of traders, following more than one or two people, man, don't, you are killing yourself, you are killing yourself by doing that. So you gotta stop killing yourself, guys. You gotta stop killing yourself. Just follow one guy, just follow two guys if like their trading style is similar. For me, I just trade price action. I do have trading systems that I developed myself. I do have robots that I developed myself. So, but as for me, like guys, I like doing this by myself. I like trading. Like I enjoy trading. Trading is my life. So I don't see myself like uh not doing this every day. Basically, those robots and trading softwares, I just made them for people who need them. I sometimes use them when I'm bored, but we're not there, right? We're not there, guys. So, guys, we are on a 4 hour time frame right now. On a 4 hour time frame, as we have marked our supply and demand and our resistance. So okay, just to explain, let me go a little bit back. Just to explain to you guys why this zone over, right, this zone over here, where is it? See, my signals is this zone over here. Why did I name it supply of resistance? Initially what happens, guys, remember, this is our resistance now, right? The price is over here. Once the price move past this, is this now changes to what? Changes to support. It's no longer resistance, because when the price comes here, it's going to support it to continue. It will retest over there. This supply over here, yes, it will be supply for now, and the price will come back, maybe retest over here. But once the price move past it, it will no longer be supply, turn into a support or resistance, not a resistance, a demand. You know what I'm saying? The price will be coming to retest unless it's a false breakout. You know what I'm saying? And it cannot be a false breakout over here, because once the price breaks this previous higher high, this is all-time higher high on gold, right? Yeah, so that's why I'm saying that's a resistance or support, as we are about to like move past it. That's why I'm saying resistance or support. So yeah, guys, just need to delete those. Where's my razor? So yeah, that's where it's that's what I will see, because I'm not seeing clearly, so I might end up removing what? The trend line. I don't want to remove the trend line. I don't want to remove the trend line. So that one I will see it later. So yeah, guys. So as we are here, guys, we're just going to mark our significant price levels, where the price will likely go to retest or uh, end up touching, whether it's going to break or whether it's going to retest. So this is our significant level. Our major significant level is over here. As we can see, the price like it. Okay, let's just talk about this for a minute. The price went from here after it broke out. We had a bullish flag here. We had a bullish flag. It went up. It tested over here. Oh, it consolidated, like as it consolidated, it broke up from a bullish structure here. Bullish structure. As you know, when we have an ascending structure, this thing over here is an ascending structure. It ascended, then the price will is likely to break down, and it tested give us a little bit a minimum of a W shot up, come all the way down over here. So it went up, down,